Hello everyone, how are you doing? Today we are going to teach you a wonderful lesson. We are going to show you how to use I am going to and I am going to the. For example, I am going to school and I am going to the school. We are going to see the difference between the two sentences. I am going to school, I am going to the school. Where is the difference between the two sentences? That's what we are going to be talking about. I am teacher Jasper. Before teaching you the lesson or telling you anything else, I would like first of all to give you the book or to show you the book. This book is for you, not for me. I wrote it to give it to you. Are we together? I wrote it to give it to you. It's up to you to come and buy it. If you want to develop your English level, come and buy the book. SMS me, inbox me, or contact me in order to get the book. Igitabo rero nimwe nagikoreye, nimwe nacyandiki kugira ngo muze mu kigure. It is English Kinyarwanda book. Ni igitabo cy'icyongereza n'ikinyarwanda kimeze neza cyane, cyiza cyane, cyubakitse, kigufasha kuzamura urwego rwawe. Nice. Then now we are going to see how to use I am going to school, I am going to hospital, I'm going to prison, and I'm going to the school, I am going to the hospital, I am going to the prison. Where is the difference between the two sentences? We are going to see that. Okay? Very fantastic. Then, before, I would like to give you the word of today. The word of today is this one, which is refectory. Refectory. Where are students? Students are in their refectory. Refectory, this is a place where students take their meal. Okay? Aha ni ahantu abanyeshuri bafatira ibyo kurya, amafunguro yabo. We call it refectory. Don't say refectory. Refectory. No. We say refectory. Refectory. This O, which is here, is silent. We say refectory. For example, I don't go to the refectory when I am at school. Sinja njya muri refectory iyo ndi ku ishuri. I don't go there. I don't take my food or my meal to the refectory. Okay? Or in the refectory. Refectory means refectoire mu Gifaransa, refectoire cyangwa se aho bafatira amafunguro ku ishuri. Nice. I am going to school versus I am going to the school. Where is the difference? When I say I am going to school, this means that I am a student there. When you say I'm going to school, that time you have bags. Ufite ibikapu n'iki byose na za rakrete ugiye ku ishuri. I am going to school. I am going to prison. When you say I am going to prison, umuntu ahita yumva ko ugiye gufungwa, ugiye mu buroko. Where are you going, my dear? I'm going to prison. But when you say I am going to the school, you are visiting that school. Ubugiye gusura rya shuri. Or you have other purposes. Cyangwa ufite izindi gahunda zikujyanye. Hari izindi ntego zikujyanye ku ishuri. I am going to school, I am going to the school. I am going to prison. Ngiye mu buroko. When you say I am going to the prison, you are going to visit someone there at prison. Nibwo uzakoresha I'm going to the prison. To the, icyo gihe ntabwo wowe uba ujya aho hantu nk'umuntu ugiye nk'umuntu uhatuye cyangwa se ugiye kuba yahafungirwa niba ari mu buroko. I'm going to prison, icyo gihe ugiye gufungwa. But I'm going to the prison, you're going to rehabilitate or to refurbish the prison. Icyo gihe ugiye nko gusana uburoko, ugiye gukora igisenge cyaho, ugiye gukora iki. When you are going to the prison. I'm going to hospital. You're going to be hospitalized. When you say I'm going to hospital, you're going to be hospitalized at that time. icyo gihe ugiye gufata igitanda urarwaye. I'm going to hospital. But I am going to the hospital. When you say I'm going to the hospital, ugiye nko gukora ibintu runaka ku bitaro ariko uragaruka utahe mu rugo. That is the difference. Good. Then here, when I say I am going to the, nkuko twabivugaga, I am going to the school, I mean that I am going there due to or for, let us use for, I am going there for some purposes like visiting students, building or refurbishing classes. When I say I am going to the school here, I mean that, mbashatse kuvuga ko, I am going there for some purposes like visiting students, building or refurbishing classes. Iyo mvuze ngo I am going to the school, mbanshatse kuvuga ko ngiyeyo kubera impamvu runaka, nko gusura abanyeshuri cyangwa se kubaka cyangwa kuvugurura amashuri. Refurbish is like rehabilitate, refurbish. Yes, that's time I will say I am going to the school. Ariko niba mfite amakaye ndi umunyeshuri, I study there at that school, I will say I am going to school. Are you together? Very fantastic. Now we are going to see different examples to better understand these two sentences, or these the use of, or the difference between the two sentences that are there. For example, I am going to school now. Okay, I am going to school now, but my teacher will punish me because I am very late. If you understand very well this statement, you immediately recognize that this person who is the speaker here is a student at that school, because he is saying that I am going to school now, but my teacher will punish me because I am very late. Icyo gihe urahita wumva ko yari umunyeshuri. Ngiye ku ishuri aka kanya, ariko mwarimu wanjye arampana, but my teacher will punish me because I am very late. Kubera ko nakererewe cyane. Here, the speaker studies at this school. Hano bishatse kuvuga ko the speaker uyu uri kutubwira inkuru yiga kuri iri shuri. Kubera ko ari kutwereka ko agiye ku ishuri ubu ngubu, ariko mwarimu we aramuhana kuko yakererewe. I am going to school now. Ntabwo azavuga ngo I am going to the school now. Never. I am going to school now, but my teacher will punish me because I am very late. Fantastic. But let us go to the second example here. Reka turebe urugero rwa kabiri kugira ngo twumve I'm going to school, I'm going to the school. The difference. Nice. I am going to the school to visit my firstborn who studies there. Fantastic. Here, the speaker is not a student. The speaker is someone who is going to visit students or a student there, or his or her children there. Yes, I am going to the school to visit my firstborn who studies there. Ngiye ku ishuri gusura imfura yanjye yiga hariya. Here, the speaker is not a student at this school. Sinzi niba byumvikanye. I'm going to school, I'm going to the school. Nice. Then number 3, you can say, I am going to hospital. This time, you are sick. You bwiye umuntu ngo I'm going to hospital. Icyo gihe uburwayi. Or I'm going to be hospitalized. I'm going to be hospitalized. This means that you are going to take a what? A ward. Ugiye gufata icyumba kwa muganga. Very fantastic. But number 4, here, when you say, I am going to the hospital, here, I am going to visit a person who is there. I am going to the hospital. I will come back. Ndaza kugaruka, kandi sindwaye. I'm just going to visit someone who is sick there. Or I'm going to visit people who are sick. or I'm going to visit someone who are sick there. Then here, I'm going to there. These two sentences are totally different. Then, kugeza ubu ngubu rero, nuzaba ugiye kwa muganga kubera kurwaye, uzajya uvuga uti, I am going to hospital. But when you are not sick, ugiye gusura umuntu uriyo, ugiye kugemura, cyangwa se ugiye gusura muganga w'inshuti yawe, you are going to the hospital by that time. Fantastic. I am going to prison. Icyo gihe uragiye nyine uri mu mapingu. You are in handcuffs. Handcuffs, amapingu. Then there, ntabwo ushobora kutagaruka. But I'm going to the prison. Uri umwubatsi ugiye gukorayo uragaruka. I'm going to the prison. Does it make sense? That's very fantastic. It's up to you to create different sentences, different examples by using I am going to there. I'm going to school, I'm going to the school. Very fantastic. Then now, this is the right time, if you have got the lesson very well, this is the right time for us to give you the saying. It's a saying of English, but on the other hand, it's a kind of advice. This is a kind of advice that I can give you. Iyi ni inama nabagira for people who use social media. Abantu bakoresha imbuga nkoranyambaga. I can give you this piece of advice. Nabagira inama igira iti, avoid posting your personal problems on social media. Not all social media users are sympathetic to you. Let me repeat. Avoid posting your personal problems on social media. Not all social media users are sympathetic to you. Shatse kuvuga ngo ujye wirinda muvandimwe uri kundeba. Ujye wirinda gupostinga cyangwa se gushyira ibibazo byawe bwite kuri social media, ku mbuga nkoranyambaga. Kubera ko ntabwo abantu bose bakoresha imbuga nkoranyambaga bagufitiye impuhwe. Ntabwo ari bose bazigufitiye. Hari bamwe bazigufitiye, hari n'abandi batazigufitiye. Then I can give you a piece of advice by saying that you should avoid posting your personal problems on social media, because not all social media users are sympathetic to you. I am Teacher Jasper. We are together and you should buy the book. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.